Today I'll be making vegan mapo tofu. It's packed with Japanese flavors, dashi, and miso at a rich umami kick, while shiitake mushrooms bring a hearty, satisfying bite.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Mince the ginger and garlic. Remove the shiitake mushroom stalks and chop the mushrooms. Don't throw the stalks away. They add a nice firm texture to the dish. Chop the scallions. In a small bowl, mix dashi powder, mirin, soy sauce, miso paste, potato starch, and water until well combined. Set aside. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan over low heat. Add the garlic, ginger, and doubanjian and stir fry until fragrant. Drain the tofu and cut it in half. Add 1/2 to the pan as a block. Stir fry over medium heat, breaking up the tofu with a spatula as you go. Add the chopped shiitake mushrooms and stir fry until tender. Pour in the prepared dashi soup. Cut the remaining tofu into small cubes and gently add them to the pan. Bring everything to a gentle boil. Then lower the heat and let it simmer for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Sprinkle in the chopped scallions and give it a light stir. Serve it in a bowl and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this comforting, umami-rich vegan mapo tofu. Do you love tofu but feel like you are always making the same dishes? Or maybe you're not sure how to cook it so it tastes really good. I made a tofu recipe ebook packed with delicious Japanese-style tofu dishes that are super easy to make. This ebook has 14 tasty tofu recipes from crispy fried tofu to comforting miso ramen. Each recipe comes with a step-by-step video, so you can cook along with me. I also included tofu cooking tips, side dish pairing ideas, and a meal planner with a shopping list, so you don't have a stress about what to make. If you love tofu and Japanese food, want to eat more plant-based meals, or just need new tofu ideas, this is for you. You can grab your copy at shop.chefjcooks.com or click the link in the description to grab yours today.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.